Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoom on MacBook Air. Easy guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser on your MacBook Air. Go to the Zoom website by typing zoom.us in the address bar. Once the site loads, look for the Resources tab located at the top of the page. Move your cursor over the Resources tab to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Download Zoom Client. On the next page, locate the button that says Download under Zoom Client for Meetings. Click on the Download button to start the download process. Wait for the Zoom installer file to download. Once the download is complete, locate the Zoom installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file named zoom.us installer. This will open a new window prompting you to install Zoom. Next, drag the Zoom icon into the Applications folder as instructed. Wait for the file to move, then navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the Zoom app within the Applications folder and double-click to open it. Upon opening, you might see a security prompt asking if you wish to open the app. Click Open to allow Zoom to run on your Mac. You may be prompted to sign in or join a meeting. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and click Sign In. If you need to join a meeting, choose the Join a Meeting option and input the meeting ID. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zoom on your MacBook Air. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.